Hey, nieces and nephews, it's your Uncle Chris. Okay, In A Pickle wrote to me and she said, how about something as an alternate to a side, like something different besides potatoes? She said there's going to be a potato shortage. And I believe her. So, how about this? Pasta. Not just any pasta. I'm going to show you how to make a creamy mushroom pasta. It's delicious, okay? First things first. I'm going to take half a stick of butter. I know, half a stick. And put it into the skillet here.
Also, surprise!
Yes, guess who my cameraman is?
You just saw me.
Yeah. Okay, we're going to melt down the butter. Okay.
To a nice, gooey, liquidness.
Now, I'm going to put in about a tablespoon of butter. Excuse me, garlic.
What the? More butter?
No, we're putting in a tablespoon of garlic because it's going to have a garlic sauce. Okay?
I wonder if butter grows on trees.
No, it doesn't. Now, we're going to incorporate the butter into the garlic.
Make it all nice and buttery.
Mm-hmm. We're also going to put in
some mushrooms.
2 cans worth of mushrooms.
There's the second one. You see that goodness right there? Woo! This is going to be a good meal. So, Uncle Chris, what do you think it's going to taste like, the pasta?
Delicious. I'm also putting in a teaspoon of pepper.
Just a teaspoon, guys.
Yeah.
Not a lot.
I'm going to turn the fire up some. We're going to cook these to the mushrooms saute down a bit.
Also, later, we're going to be adding some cream of mushroom soup.
Yes, we are. Now, I've turned the heat up on here just to get these mushrooms started. This is a simple dish, and you can do it. Your family's going to like it, and the kids will eat it too. And you can make it, freeze it for another time, heat it back up, and there you go.
It'll be good as new.
Yeah.
Ooh, I wish they had smell-o-vision.
I wish they did too. Wouldn't that be something? There's an app for smell-o-vision? I tell you. All right, nieces and nephews, you see how the mushrooms have incorporated and cooked down?
Yeah, they're also quite bubbly.
Now, I'm going to put the cream of mushroom soup in.
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored.
But
if they want to, they know where to find me. Okay. I like to use a silicone spatula to get all of the stuff out. We're going to put this all together. You want to cook your base, because this is the base of your sauce.
Got to make sure it's nice and stirred.
Incorporate it with the butter, the garlic, and the mushrooms. Okay?
Ooh. Garlic, mushrooms, butter. Garlic, mushrooms, butter.
Yes.
That should be a song.
We're going to add
chicken broth.
No,
actually beef broth. I'm so used to saying chicken.
Unsalted. Okay?
That's different.
Yes. Now, because there's a little salt in the soup base, but not much because I used the heart healthy one. Okay?
For the whole can, there's only, For the whole can, there's only 300. That's not bad.
No, it's not. Now, we're going to pour this in. If you do not have beef broth, you can use beef soup.
That's new.
Or if you don't have, you can also use chicken broth in this if you want. If you don't have that, you can use chicken soup. Use the broth from that. Okay?
That would actually not be bad.
So, cook this up until it comes to a nice boil. Now I put in about a half cup of the beef broth, but you put in as much as you feel you need to keep the sauce to be either as thick as you want or as thin as you want. I like a thicker sauce, so I didn't put too much. Now, if I need a little more, I'll put a little more as we go. Get you some Worcestershire sauce.
Worcestershire or Worcestershire?
Or Worcestershire.
Comment down below.
I wish I knew how to say it. Put in a couple drops.
I don't know either.
I'm putting in about a
tablespoon?
Well, I'd say a teaspoon, not a tablespoon. I'll put in a teaspoon because I just want that flavor. Now I'm going to put in some pasta. Just enough to make the dish. We're going to see how much I put in here.
Ooh.
I may not use all of this pasta. You can always use this for something else. And I will be showing you. And we're going to reserve the leftover for
Looking
something
good.
else. Mm-hmm.
Looking real good.
All right.
And look at that. That could be enough to. That could be a meal itself. And look at how much we have left over. That's like a quarter of the colander.
You can either freeze it or use it for covered up in the ice box in some airtight and use it in a dish the next day. Now, nieces and nephews, take you at least 3 or 4 slices of Munster cheese, Swiss cheese, or pepper jack. Right now, tonight, we're using Munster. All right.
It'll probably taste good too.
Oh, yes. Uncle Chris makes tasty things. Mm-hmm.
Especially, like, remember that time when one of our first videos was that smoky macaroni? Remember that?
Oh, it was so good.
Brings back memories.
Ooh.
This is our very first video. Me and him.
You know what, y'all? This is my little buddy. Oh, yes.
Well, I am his nephew.
Now, look at this, Jay. Look, nieces and nephews.
Look at that
this
cheesy
cheese.
goodness.
Yeah, look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh,
Here, get another one.
oh yeah. Oh, look. Oh, yes. We're going to put this in the bowl.
Now, we do have vegetables to countermeasure all the fat, right?
Yes, we do. We're going to serve some vegetables, but we're going to show them this dish first. Oh, yes. Mm-hmm. Put your little parsley over top.
I already got my spoon in my hand.
And ta-da!
Take a look. And look at how much we still have left over. This is a big bowl, you guys.
Well, yeah, we're going to serve it as a side. Would you like to taste some, my nephew?
Oh. You guys, you are missing out.
All right, guys. An alternative to potatoes. My cheesy, creamy pasta mushroom sauce. It is a wonderful side dish to offset from potatoes. All right, I'm going to show you another one tomorrow. Stay tuned. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.
Smash that subscribe button, whether it's with your spoon, your can of parsley, or maybe even your colander. But smash that like button.
Big love from Uncle Chris and Little Jay.